Hello guys, we are doing this again. We're doing a, hopefully see if the monster trucks go down the lanes. We're doing the races again. We're just doing regular racing. Let me adjust the camera. Okay. Grave Digger versus Cholo. Pretty much, I don't need to. Y'all pretty much know who they are. Grave Digger and Cholo are first. Lane 1, Grave Digger, Cholo, lane 2. Grave Digger on that one. The lizard trucks has to stay in the water. Cholo won, not Cholo, but Bulldozer won. Actually, it was Sun Grave Digger. So both teams will win. Okay, put in the comments below who you think it was, but I think that's Mohawk Warrior. I need help with doing this stuff. This summer, I think I'm going to ask my mom if I can't do it with my friends, which they have a good backyard to do it in. Okay. Okay, Captain Puss lost. It was Mad Militia. Okay. Whoever wins against this one, hopefully it won't be teammate against teammate. Sun Grave Digger won that. Lost that one. Okay. Okay. They're going to do it backwards. Okay, Grave Digger versus Mohawk Warrior. Grave Digger won. Okay. Now, final countdown, people. Count down with me. 1, 2, 3, go! And Grave Digger won. Our first time champion. Let's watch him go in the water. Well, he didn't really go, but hold on. Okay, thank you people for watching. Shout out to everybody.